Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to take partial profit in Tradingview. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is either closing a trade too early or holding on for too long. That's where partial profit taking comes in. It allows you to lock in gains while still keeping part of your position running in case the market continues in your favor. This is a powerful risk management strategy that helps you balance consistency and growth. To begin, open Tradingview and go to your chart. At the bottom of the screen, locate the Trading panel. Inside this section, find the Positions tab under your trades. Here, you'll see all your currently open trades. From the list of positions, find the trade you want to take partial profit from. Click on that trade to highlight or select it. Now, look for the Close button next to the position. Click on Close. Once you click Close, a pop-up window will appear. Inside this window, you'll see options for closing your trade. Look for the option that allows you to partially close the position. Turn on or select the Partial Close option. Now enter the number of units or contracts you want to close. For example, if you have one contract, you might close 0.5. If you have multiple contracts, you can close a portion of them. This lets you secure profit while keeping the rest of the trade open. Before you proceed, there's a very important step. Go to your trading settings in Tradingview. Make sure one-click trading is turned off. This matters because if one-click trading is enabled, clicking close may instantly close your entire position instead of giving you the option to partially close. So double-check the setting before continuing. Once everything is set, confirm your partial units, review your trade details, then click Close Position. Your selected portion will be closed and the remaining part of your trade will stay active. After taking partial profit, you can continue managing the rest of your position. You can adjust stop loss, move take profit, let the trade run. This gives you more flexibility and control over your strategy. Using Tradingview partial close features helps you manage risk and maximize opportunities. To summarize, taking partial profit in Tradingview involves going to the Position section, selecting your trade, clicking Close, enabling partial close, entering the units, and confirming the position. Just make sure one-click trading is turned off so you don't accidentally close the entire trade. And that's how to take partial profit in Tradingview. This is one of those small adjustments that can completely change your trading results over time. Instead of thinking in all or nothing terms, partial profit taking lets you secure wins while still staying in the game. The key is to use it intentionally. Plan your exits ahead of time and stick to your strategy rather than making emotional decisions in the moment. As you gain more experience, you'll start to see how powerful this approach can be for consistency and long-term growth. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.